Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. How did you do that? Well, I guess you're going to have to watch the video and find out. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an automatic trunk lift into your Tesla Model 3. So what we're going to be replacing today are these shocks here, and we're going to be using these guys here. A huge thank you to Bougerv for sending me these automatic struts. Let's see how they work. So you only need two tools for this project. You're going to need something to hold up the trunk lid and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I've used a 4-foot level, which works out absolutely perfect to support the trunk lid. At the top, I've put some protection there. So now that we have our trunk supported, the next step is to remove the original shocks. Okay, so you can see on the ends of the shock, they're actually just put in there with little clips right here. So you just need to remove those clips and your shock will come undone. So you pop your screwdriver in here and pry out the clip. Just like that. You want to do the exact same process to the top clip as well. So now that you have your two clips undone, you can replace your shock with the new one. So this is our kit that we received, and these are the new power lifts. Not really power, it's just putting a spring there to give that trunk the initial nudge, and then the gas shock is going to take over. So the next step is to remove your old shock. So now that you got your clips out, you literally just pop it off. Like so, and like so. Make sure you have your support in place. And we're going to take our new shock, and I don't think you need to take the clips off of this one. The new shock is installed. You do not need to remove the clips. You just have to pop it into place. Now on to shock number 2. And we're going to remove the two clips and take this one out. So there you have it. The new shock is installed. You can see the spring there is a little helper. So we can now remove our level. So if you want to pick up some shocks like these, I put the link in the description below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. Until next time, take it easy out there.